Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Caspa community. Of course, you guys know what time it is. We're going to be analyzing the price of Caspa, so let's waste no more time and get right into it. I know, the people that are part of the Caspa community are probably shocked right now. You guys are like jumping around the fact that the broader market is seeing a little bit of retracement and there's only a few coins that are in green. And actually, one of the few coins that are green are none other than Caspa itself, up 3.7%. And I'm sure no one is really complaining. A green day is a green day at the end of the day, no matter whether it's 1%, 20, 30%, it is a move that needs to be obviously looked at. But is this a time to be getting excited about? That's what we're going to be covering. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, the Caspa's price is up 3.7% with the price back above 11 cents, 11.68 cents to be exact. Also up 4% in Bitcoin comparative with the market cap almost at $3 billion. And look at the 24-hour trading volume, guys. It's literally at $100 million. When was the last time we actually saw the Caspa's volume this high? It's quite impressive to see, but it's just a really big time to be getting excited about right now for the price of Caspa. That's what we're going to be talking about. Looking at the dominance, you guys can see the dominance is pretty much setting up for a new yearly high just as we are recording this update. So maybe when this update goes live, I would not be surprised if the dominance is already sitting higher than where we are currently. Remember, tomorrow, again, when you're watching this update, it's going to be the last day of October. We are coming to the end of the month, and we know the U.S. elections are coming up. Uncertainty is higher than expected. Bitcoin dominance increasing. These are some factors that a lot of people tend to ignore, but on the Crypto ZX channel, we cannot be ignoring these specific factors. But what is quite interesting specifically today for Caspa is the fact that even though the dominance index is retesting yearly highs for itself, you're actually seeing Caspa, up against this type of momentum that Bitcoin dominance is showing. And BTC also has seen a little bit of a rejection around that $73,000 price point. So despite that fact, you're actually seeing Caspa performing good. So is it just maybe market makers that are seeing an opportunity out there for Caspa? The futures platform manipulation. What could it be? Those are definitely some things that we need to be asking ourselves. So in terms of getting excited about Caspa, at the end of the day, a move is a move, as I've stated earlier. And if you want to put this into perspective from the low that we set just yesterday at 10.4 cents, if you manage to somehow pick it up around there, you are up right now 11.35%, which is honestly not a bad move if you ended up catching Caspa around that price point. But in terms of getting excited, guys, I think it has a long ways to go. And what I mean by that is you need to see the price of Caspa at minimum remaining above 13.5 cents in order for us to consider that we're still in the safe end of the spectrum. If it's not able to make its way back above that key resistance, the chance of us falling and invalidating this upward trajectory that we're in are still quite high. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, there's still a move of only about 12.88% until we actually invalidate this upward trajectory that we're in. And recently I've been noticing a lot of bearish comments coming in for Caspa due to the specific price action it has seen. It's quite funny to me at the same time, because when I was calling that the weakness on Caspa's price was really showing back in September, some people were laughing at me thinking that this guy is just absolutely crazy to think about that Caspa is showing weakness. And here we are, Caspa price down almost 40% since that specific level. But obviously there's two sides in terms of the community. There's one that, of course, are true believers and have done their due diligence research and have invested what they can afford to lose and understand the risk factor. And there's one that just want to see upside no matter what and cannot take the downside. And mostly the people that are unable to take any sorts of moves like this, especially in the negative side of things, are the people that only hold a specific coin, meaning their portfolio is not diversified. And remember, diversification is the key component to have a successful time in crypto, whether it's stock market, whatever the case may be. Diversification is key, because not only does it maximize your gain potential, but it also decreases your risk factor. So those are some things. I know that's really a tough pill to swallow for a lot of holders on Caspa that are complete moon boys. But on this channel, you guys know we keep it 100% realistic. So of course, we can say that credit does belong. The fact that we are actually seeing a little bit of upside within the price of Caspa, about an 11% move since yesterday. But in terms of getting excited right now, I think we are far away from that as of now. So if we're able to pick up back above 13.5 cents, maybe see a monthly candle close above there, maybe, that could kind of trigger a little bit of upside towards the 78.6 potentially, if Bitcoin does not see a complete wipeout, which I still think there's a chance of us to see the sell the news event taking place. But of course, I'll keep you guys updated. So far, we'll obviously give credit where it belongs, but I don't think it's a time to be getting excited. So let's not just start jumping around just yet. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you agree with my overall take, if you completely disagree. If you disagree, let me know in the comments down below why you think that. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.